everyone. Okay? The Busybody book. And it's called A Kid's Guide to Fitness, and it's written by Lizzie Rockwell. The Busybody book. A Kid's Guide to Fitness by Lizzie Rockwell. Busy bodies bounce up and down. They stretch from side to side and run all around. They catch and throw. They push and pull. They pedal. They paddle. They roller skate too. When you get busy, what do you do? Your body is meant to be busy. It's meant to move fast, lift heavy things, and walk or run for miles. Just look at it. You have hands for clapping, feet for stomping, legs for leaping, and arms for swinging. You can jump, sprint, twist, and twirl. You can do all that because your body is built to move. Underneath your skin is a strong, hard skeleton made of bones. Bones keep your body standing tall. Joints connect bones so you can bend. Then you have the skeleton. We are made up of 206 bones. You guys know you had so many bones in your body? I see some shocked faces. Miranda looks very shocked. And each of your bones does a different thing. The skull protects your brain. The spine is made up of many small bones connected by joints so your back can bend and twist. If you didn't have all those teeny tiny small bones in your spine, you wouldn't be able to bend or twist because those small bones that are connected by joints are what allow you to bend and twist. Okay? Teeth. Teeth are the only part of your skeleton that you can see. Did you guys know that your teeth are bone? That your teeth are part of your skeleton? You're the only part of your skeleton that you can see. Whoa. The ball and socket joint in your shoulder lets your arm move in a circle. You guys move your arms in a circle? That's because you have a ball and socket joint right there that lets you move it in a circle. How cool is that? Your body.
I do it really fast in my living room.
Okay. Thank you. All right. Hinge joint. Hinge joint. So your elbow, you can't move your elbow really in a circle. Like not really. Like not like your shoulder, right? Your shoulder you can move in a circle. Your elbow bends. And you can twist your arm on your shoulder joint to bend your elbow in, from different directions, but your elbow only makes a bending motion, and that's because it's a hinge joint. Ribs. Ribs protect your heart and your lungs. They keep them safe. Your ribs have an important job to keep parts of your body safe. If you didn't have ribs, it would be dangerous for your body because you wouldn't have anything to protect that. Ball and socket joint. You have another ball and socket joint in your hips. That's why you can move your legs around in a circle. Can you guys move your legs around in a circle using your ball and socket joint? Lots of you guys moving. Very good. The thigh bone is the longest bone in your body. The thigh bone right there. Whoops. The hinge joint in your knee can bend back and forth. So just like the hinge joint in your elbow, The hinge joint in your knee lets you move your knee up and down. You can't really move your knee around in a circle like you do your shoulder or your hip there, but you can move your knee up and down because you have a hinge joint.
For kicking a ball.
Yeah, just like when you're kicking a ball. Half the bones in your body are in your feet, in your hands. But once again, you have a lot of motion in your hands and in your feet. So you need all those little bones in there to help create that motion. The more joints, the more movable your body is. Muscles are attached to bones by tendon. Please put your mics on mute. Muscles let you move and lift and stretch. When you use your muscles again and again, they don't get worn out. Instead, they get stronger. Okay, so tendons are what attach your muscles to the bone. Okay, and then muscles are what help, like what you move and what move your bones, right? Your bones can't just move on their own. You've got to have the muscles and the tendons in there that help you move them. And they get stronger the more you use them. So if you sit on your hiney all day and don't do anything, your muscles aren't getting very strong. But if you're outside running and playing and lifting things, you get stronger and you'll get faster. Hold on, Rudy. The muscles. Tendons attach muscle to the bone. You have more than 20 tendons in each wrist. Just like how you have so many bones in your hands and your wrist, you have all of those tendons and muscles too in order to attach to those and let you move. Cambry, if you could turn your camera back on, that would be great. Facial muscles let you smile, blink, chew, and talk. Okay, so all those muscles in your face are what let you blink, what let you open your mouth, chew, talk, smile, make goofy faces at your teacher, right? Those are all muscles that let you do that. Ligament, right there. Triceps help you push open a door. Biceps help you lift heavy things. So your triceps and your biceps. Gluteus maximus is the large muscle on your bottom. Did you know your bottom was a big muscle? Called the gluteus maximus. Back and stomach muscles let you stand up straight. That's why babies can't quite sit up straight yet, because babies still have to develop those muscles. Quadriceps lift your leg and bend your knee when you walk. The Achilles tendon attaches your calf muscle to your heel bone. Ligaments wrap around muscle and tendon to hold them in place. So the ligaments do wrap around the muscle and the tendons in order to kind of hold them in place. And the tendons attach your muscle to the bone. You have more than 630 muscles. You guys have way more muscles than you have bones, right? It said what, you had 203 bones, 206 bones, and 630 muscles. Wow. Rudy, did you have something to add about muscles? No? Okay. Inside your skull sits your incredible brain. Your brain controls every move you make and thinks your thoughts. It gets information about the world from your 5 senses. Then it tells your muscles what to do and how to move. Messages travel back and forth at lightning speed along wire-thin fibers called nerves. Wow, and the brain is pretty incredible, because do you have to think about moving every time you go to move? No, your brain just kind of does it automatically for you. It's so fast that you don't have to sit there and think about moving and think about breathing. Your brain does that all on its own. It's pretty cool. The brain and nerves. Your brain is made up of the cerebellum, cerebrum, and brainstem. The cerebrum is the largest part of your brain. It controls most of your thoughts and movements. The brainstem controls your heartbeat and breathing. So you breathe and your heart beats on its own. You don't have to think about that. And that is thanks to your brainstem. Your brainstem does that for you. The cerebellum controls balance and coordination. So there's the cerebellum, and it kind of is the bottom part of your brain. And then the brainstem attaches to the cerebellum, and the cerebrum then is the largest part of your brain. The spinal cord, which connects right up there to the brainstem, which connects to the cerebellum, is protected inside your spine. So your spine, those bones along in your back, also have the important job of protecting your spinal cord. It connects all other nerves to the brain. Nerves, all of these green things are nerves that go through your whole body. Send millions of messages to your brain every minute. Every minute. Your nerves tell you when things are hot or cold or scratchy or, any type of sensation that you feel. You feel that because of your nerves in your body. The 5 senses, you have sight, you have hearing, smell, taste, and touch. And your brain learns all about, it gets information from the world from your 5 senses that you don't even always have to think about. Your brain just processes that on its own. And then you might have to do something to, because of that process, like your brain feels the wind, your brain feels the temperature, and it tells you, oh, it's cold outside. It's time to put on my jacket. And you think, oh, I should put on my jacket because it's cold outside. Your body is amazing, is an amazing living machine. And it only needs a few things to make it go. Like air to breathe, food to eat, and water to drink. These things come into your body through your mouth or nose. But then, where do they go? And what do they do? So we have air and food and water. When you breathe, your lungs collect oxygen from the air. Your muscles need oxygen so they can move. Your brain needs oxygen so it can think. When you breathe in, you get fresh air. When you breathe out, you get rid of stale air that your body's already used up. Who's been in my classroom and you started getting really sleepy, and Miss Kennison said, you know what you need to do? You need to sit up straight and you need to take some deep breaths to get that oxygen to your brain to wake your body back up, right? I know several of you guys should be sure, oh yeah, Miss Kennison's told me that before. Get some deep breaths in, wake my brain and body back up. The lungs. As air enters your lungs through your mouth and nostrils. Inhale, air. Exhale, waste. Your tongue is right in there too. The esophagus leads food to your stomach, right? Which is part of your tongue helps you swallow that food, and it gets into your esophagus, which leads food to the stomach. The epiglottis closes when you swallow, so food doesn't get into your lungs. So that does it automatically. You don't have to think about it. That closes when you swallow, so food does not get into your lungs. It stays in your esophagus and goes down into your stomach. The windpipe leads air from your mouth to your lungs and out again. So you breathe in, it goes through your windpipe, and into your lungs. And out again. There's your lungs. Bronchi branch off from the windpipe. Okay. That's part of your lungs. The diaphragm is a sheet of muscle that opens and closes the lungs as you breathe in and out. And that's what makes your tummy go up and down too, is your diaphragm. And your lungs move your chest out. Amy, did you have a question or something to add?
I wonder why you eat food so you survive.
Well, we might talk about that a little bit as we get to it. And this might be one of those books that's a 2-day book. That means we finish it tomorrow and talk about some of this stuff tomorrow. Remember, we would do that in the classroom sometimes too. The heart moves oxygen from your lungs to the other parts of your body. Your heart, hold on. Your heart pumps blood through long, thin tubes called vessels. The blood picks up oxygen in the lungs and carries it to your muscles and to your brain. When your body gets busy, it uses more oxygen. Your heart beats faster and your lungs breathe deeper. Okay, I want you guys to do something for me. Okay? Can you guys kind of feel your heart and feel the thumping? Put your hand. Maybe you can't feel it there. You might have to try. Sometimes you can feel it through the veins on your wrist or in your neck, and you can kind of feel your heart thumping.
I can feel it.
Okay, sometimes I find like there's a big vein in your neck that you can kind of put your hand up against, and you
I
can
feel
kind of,
my heart where my heart is.
okay. And notice your breathing. You're not breathing very heavy, right? You're just kind of breathing normal, nice and slow. Miranda, did you have something to add?
I felt my chest and I can feel my heartbeat.
You can feel your heartbeat. Good. Okay, so everybody feels their heartbeat, and it's just kind of nice and slow. Bump, 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 bump. Cambry?
I don't know which one.
I don't know what you mean by that. So think about your question, and if you can rephrase it. Jaya, do you have a quick question? We've got to be fast, guys, because we've only got a few more minutes.
You can put your you can only do one way to put your elbow in the circle. Just bend it and do this.
That's not bending it in a circle, is it?
This?
That's not on task. Okay. So thank you, boys and girls. So now you've felt that your heart just goes thump, 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 thump. You feel your normal breathing. Now I want everybody to stand up. Stand up. And I want you guys to shake it out real quick. Oh, I see lots of nice wiggling. And then I want you to jog, jog, jog. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Valerie, I don't see you moving. Well, maybe you're frozen. I can't. Go, 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 go. Anaya, are you frozen too, or are you not moving? Move quick. Move quick. Quick, 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 quick. Ashlyn, I don't see you moving. Quick, 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 quick. Okay, and then maybe you do some jumping jacks. Miss Kennison's gonna warm up doing this. I'm gonna warm up in my classroom. Like jump, 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 jump. Jump, 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 jump. And go fast, go fast, go fast, go fast. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. All right. Whew. Okay, sit back down. And I want you to feel your heart again. And I want you to listen to your breathing. I can hear some of you guys. You're breathing really fast. How does your heart feel?
My heart's going fast. My heart going fast.
Your heart is going fast. Thumbs up if your heart is also going really fast now.
My heart is fast.
Right? So what did we just read about? We read When your body gets busy, it uses more oxygen. Your heart, who is that? We need to mute our mics. Okay, it says when your body gets busy, it uses more oxygen. Your heart beats faster and your lungs breathe deeper, right? Who's kind of getting some nice deep breaths? I see some of you guys maybe look a little out of breath, right? If you were going really, really fast for me. Some of you guys I don't think moved. I could tell those of you who didn't move, you look like you're asleep still.
I almost fell when I did it.
So I see a lot of you guys, you're breathing faster. Your hearts are beating faster, right? Okay, very good. I think tomorrow, we'll finish this book some more tomorrow, and we'll talk about some of those other things. And maybe Miss Kennison will find another good book to add to this to continue talking about our bodies. Okay.
And tomorrow is the last day of school.
Yep.
I know that. Tomorrow's Wednesday, boy. So
No, we do have school, Troy. Troy, we have school tomorrow.
there's no school tomorrow. It's not school off tomorrow.
All right. So yeah. So what today is Tuesday? Today's only Tuesday. Tomorrow's not the last day of school. You guys are getting ahead of yourselves.
I thought tomorrow's not.
School yesterday.
Right? Isn't today only Tuesday? I'm pretty sure today's only Tuesday. You guys are getting way ahead of yourself.
Today's Tuesday.
Okay. Today is only Tuesday.
Monday,
Tomorrow is Wednesday.
Thursday.
Right? Days of the week. 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 There's Monday and there's Tuesday. There's Wednesday and there's Thursday. There's Friday and there's or Sunday and there's, I guess it starts with Sunday. Anyway, the point is we go to school Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Boys and girls, here's a friendly reminder. You guys are not just you need to stay on the meetings until I say goodbye. Okay? You don't just get on and off whenever you feel like it. We're here in school. This is your school, okay? You guys need to stay on the meetings and be polite to everyone who is trying to learn, okay? And remember, I can watch you guys too on Go Guardian and see that you've left the meeting and that you're just playing on something else. It's not that you've even left the meeting and are doing work. Okay, so tomorrow we will finish this book. We'll think about other ways that our body moves and our body works. And I want you guys to think about that. Do some more experiments. Feel your heart before you start working. You know, sit there, and if your heart starts beating really, really slow and you start getting sleepy and tired, jump up, do some jumping jacks, do some running. Feel your heart start beating faster and wake up your body, okay? All right. And remember, and do some deep breathing too. If you're slouched over, your lungs can't get the oxygen that they need to get oxygen all over your body. You need to sit up straight, take deep breaths, move around, get that blood moving in order to wake up your body. All right. Thank you, first and second grade.